So now we will see how to export the data from MongoDB. So this is the same procedure steps. Okay, so first of all, go to this EMP controller and write one new API, export Excel, and here async is required, request response, and try. So and here await EMP. So before that, see. So these are the records available in EMP schema in MongoDB. Okay, so EMP schema dot find, and then result will be displayed here. And if result dot length greater than 0, then so why it is giving error? Okay, so else res dot send new error response of some 201, no data available. And if data is available, then same thing, let workbook equal to. So first of all, what are the procedure steps? This is the procedure steps, and first of all we have to create the workbook. Okay, so Excel sx dot, so utils dot book new. This is the method to create the workbook. And the second one is convert JSON array to worksheet. Okay, so let worksheet equal to Excel sx dot utils dot JSON to sheet response here result. Next, so third point is append a worksheet to workbook. That means Excel sx dot utils dot book append sheet, and here give the parameters workbook, worksheet, sheet name. I am giving EMP. Okay, and the last point is attempts to write. Attempts to write a file. So xlx dot utils dot write file method. Yes, so here give the new workbook. So here we have created new workbook. So give that variable and give the path name. So we have given earlier here. So I'm going to copy this path and here. Okay. Now give the response res.send and new API response 200 success and result. And here what will happen? E dot message and any result error is gone. And click on this. Resource is busy. Okay, don't save it. And I'm going to delete this one. Now we execute it. So response is coming. We will check whether it contains the data or not. Oh shit. I'm executing this MySQL related. Sorry. Execute it. And what will be this method? Export Excel. And this is the MongoDB URL. Send. And go to this. Okay. So the document format is coming from MongoDB. So here we need to do one thing. After getting the response in result, let response equal to JSON dot stringify and give that result. After that, give JSON dot parse. Okay. So why we have to do like this? I will tell you by using the debugging only. Give the breakpoints. See, this is very important. Please observe this. See here, observe the format. So under this result variable, okay, under this result variable, you have the entire documents, and open that each and every document. Under the 0 document, again underscore doc is there. Under this document only you are getting the data. Okay, so we have to convert this document format to exact JSON format. Okay, so for that we have to write the statement like this. So you can observe in MySQL response, it is not looking like that. This is the MySQL response, and see result. After this, expand this 0. So the response exactly comes as a JSON. But look, in this MongoDB, it is not exact JSON. Okay, that's why the document format that we should be converted into JSON.stringify and parsing. Okay. So, and one more thing is here in MongoDB, this underscore ID will be there. Okay. So I don't want to display this underscore ID. So for that, how do we write the query? MP number 1, ename 1, and sal 1. After that, underscore ID 0. Okay. So this is the filter the columns. So whatever you want the column names, you can give that column names and assign one value. If you assign 0, then that column will not be displayed. Okay, that column will be ignored. So I am giving this to the response variable, and response variable will be binded. So now execute it. Now we will check. See now. Sorry, again MySQL is executed. Okay. Resource is busy, and I'm going to delete this Excel sheet and executing, and check this. See now we will get the response from the MongoDB. So for A 1500, B 22,500, C 3,500. Check this 1500, 2,500, 3,500. Okay. So if you want to change the column names, how do you change the column names? After worksheet. Okay. So worksheet dot. Otherwise, it is better to check the debugging. So a1 dot v. Okay. So worksheet dot a1 dot v equal to putting emp number worksheet dot b1. So b1, yeah, b1 and c1. Okay, b1 dot v equal to emp name worksheet dot c1 v equal to salary. And see, this column names are changed. Okay, so this is the way to write the API. So here debugging plays a key role. Okay, so almost 60% of code and ideas will come by using debugging only, and understanding also we can easily understanding by using debugging only. Okay, if you know how to use debugging perfectly, then you can play with the code. Otherwise, it will not be possible. You can't understand.